Hello everyone, so I hope you all are doing well. So this is a video for quick update regarding integrated PhD program, which is the forms are basically released by Indian Institute of Science Education and Research IISER Tirupati. So in this video I'll be discussing some important points. So you can go to this website, that is www.iisertirupati.ac.in. Once you reach to this website, on left hand side you can see this announcement tab. So in this announcements app, what you have to do, so you can see these two links, right? First link is admissions for a PhD program and second link is admission for integrated PhD program. So what you have to do, you have to click to this ring, that is admission in integrated PhD program. Once you do that, this page will come and it's written over here, admissions to integrated PhD program August 2021. That is, this is for this fall admission, that is 2021. Now you can just read each and every information carefully, but let me just highlight some important points. So opening date of online application is April 23rd and closing date is your May 23rd. So it's a blend of research work and your academic work. So this is a program basically in which you'll be completing your masters as well as PhD. So given disciplines are biology, chemistry, mathematics and physics. So this is the minimum criteria. So you should have 60% aggregate in your overall percentage, or you should have 6.5 CGPA on a 10-point scale. And there's like relaxation of 5% or for SC/ST category and 0.5 in the case of CGPA. If you have your grades or if you have your CGPA, so there's a relaxation of 0.5 for SC/ST, PWD and KM category. So let's read out this minimum criteria. You should have 60% aggregate. Now you can be from any branch, basically ecological sciences, mathematical, chemistry, physics, medical sciences, engineering. It doesn't matter. If you wish to apply for biology discipline, you can do that, provided that you should have this qualification, at least one qualification from the this exam, that is JEE BILS or JAM 2021 biological sciences or biotechnology by BT biotechnology. So you should have at least one qualification from these three examinations. Then you can apply for integrated PhD program in biotechnology or biology basically. Next is chemistry. So if you wish to apply for chemistry, you should have 60% aggregate in your percentage. If you belong to SC/ST category or PWD or KW category, so there's like 5% relaxation to you. So you can be from BSc General, BSc major in chemistry, mathematics, physics and biology, or you can be from engineering too. So this is very important information. You should have JAM 2021 qualification. If you have qualified this exam, so you can, if you are from any right discipline, you can apply for chemistry integrated PhD program. So same goes with maths and physics. Now some of the important point is you should have at least one qualification, this essential criteria. So like over here, like they have mentioned 3 types of examination, so you should have qualification of at least one examination. So same goes with maths and physics. So next is important information. If you have these 4 links, so if you wish to apply for biology, you have to click on this link, and for chemistry this link. Same goes with physics and maths. Okay, so you can apply for more than one discipline too. If you meet the eligibility criteria, you can apply for that. Next important information is these some FAQs. So you'll be given like financial assistance, and let's read out some of this important information. So if you are like in first year of your master's degree, then you can apply for this integrated PhD program. If you are in final year of bachelor's degree, you can apply for this PhD program. Next is, can you apply for more than one discipline? Yes, you can do that. If you meet the eligibility criteria, you can apply for more than one discipline. You just have to fill different forms for respective disciplines. Now you can read the fellowship structure. Next important point is very important point. Is it possible to leave the program after MS? No, it is not possible. There is no exit option. If you wish to complete your PhD from IISER Tirupati and masters from IISER Tirupati, so you can apply for this program. So you have to complete PhD also from the same college. This is the most important point which you should keep in mind. If you're looking forward for good research environment and you're sure about your PhD, you can apply for this application. It's a nice opportunity. Next is, will I get an MS degree? Yes, you'll be getting MS degree but not after completion of your masters, but you'll be getting MS degree with your PhD degree. So this is one important thing. And next is, how long does it take to complete the degree? Approximately it will take 6 years, right? And that is justified. So you have, like, you'll be doing masters and PhD, so approximately it will take 6 years for you to complete both of these degrees. Next is, if you get selected in more than one department, can you choose your supervisor? Yes, you can choose that. You can read these statements from here. So this is the quick update of this application. So if you have any doubts or you want me to elaborate any point, let me know in the comment section.